In this video, I'll be showing you how to move photos to SD card on Samsung. It's a quick tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, what you want to do is set the camera to save SD automatically. And this is the most important step to prevent your internal storage from filling up. So what you want to do is open up your camera application, then tap the settings or gear cog icon. So press these little dots and then tap the settings or gear cog icon. And then scroll down to storage location. And then once you go ahead and find storage location, all you got to go ahead and do is select SD card because that's where you're going to want to be saving everything. Now, the fastest way to move bulk data is using the Files by Google application. So what you want to do is open up your Files application, and then that could just be like Samsung My Files, anything like that. And then go ahead to and select your images. So go over to your images folder, and then you can either just long press on one, and then I can select multiple if I want to. Then what I'm going to do is on the bottom left, I'm going to see move. So now I can move it to USB storage 1, and then I can move everything to this. And if I want to, I can make a new folder within this SD card and call it whatever I want as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all the other tutorials on the channel as well.